सो अभी अभी पता चला है गवर्नमेंट ने पबजी को बैन कर दिया है along with 117 other apps. After 59 apps were banned in June, we thought that PUBG was safe and was recovering. We even put out a couple of episodes. If you missed those, go check it out. But yes, it has finally happened. PUBG Mobile has been banned. PUBG इसलिए बैन हुआ है क्योंकि डेटा माइन हो रहा है एंड डेटा सर्वर्स उसे चाइना की गवर्नमेंट को सीधा जाके दे रहे हैं. नाउ दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग ब्रीच इन सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल. सो इंडिया की मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हैव रिसीव्ड अ लॉट ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स दैट apps have been misused to mine data and send them to localized networks outside of the country, which means your security, my security, and the whole country's security is at stake, which is why the Indian government has taken such a big decision. According to them, this is in the interest of crores of internet and mobile users within the country, and it is the best way forward. और ये हमारे कम्युनिटी में इतना बड़ा रिपल इफेक्ट भेजने वाला है ना. इट्स गोइंग टू लीव सो मेनी पीपल विदाउट अ जॉब, सो मेनी ई स्पोर्ट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस अप एंड कमिंग, क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, making it big. So many people in the influencer space are going to be affected by it. Esports athletes themselves are really going to struggle because everybody had this one ideology that esports in India was going to grow and was going to bloom and was going to go places. And I'm just shocked to see this happen. Somewhere in the back of my mind, I always thought this was going to happen, but we were hopeful that this kind of a situation could have been avoided. Now, whether or not ये ban cancel होता है कि नहीं, हमें अभी तक नहीं पता. We are as speculative as you are, but we hope for the best. At this point, that's the best we can do. Please let us know what your thoughts on this are in the comments below. Signing off, this is Rahul Aduja and you're watching Esports This Week powered by Global Esports.